We're here in Banaue and just look at this view behind me. It took us about 10 hours to get here from Manila. We took an overnight bus. We're a little tired today, but what better way to start an adventure than to just jump right in. This place is known to have some of the best rice terraces, the 8th wonder of the world, so we're excited. Let's go. Tricycle for the day. And what was your name again?
Hi, I'm Ezekiel.
Ezekiel.
In short, Yale.
Yale. That's a bit easier. Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
Small little Filipino-sized tricycle.
Hey, this one at least has a little bit of headroom. Just a little.
Until we hit a bump.
Yeah.
And then Chase is knocked out.
I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. Oh, because I'm coming home.
Would you look at this view? They even have a river going down there. It's just lush and green. I didn't think it was gonna be this green. It's so stunning. And like how many there actually are. Like I was thinking, you know, maybe one little pillar, but they're all over. Almost absolutely everywhere is scattered with rice terraces.
Thanos.
Thanos.
Yeah.
Thanos.
Yeah, they do act there.
Oh, the Avengers.
Yeah, Avengers.
That's cool.
Yeah, that we call that place Ekling.
Ekland.
It's
Wow.
only a 1 minute video. Yeah, 1 minute video.
They came here for a 1-minute video.
Okay, in we are.
Oh no.
And off we go. So we have 2 more viewpoints, and then we head to the big shebang.
This one's called Dayanara Viewpoint. It means hero?
Dayanara. The name is Dayanara.
Dayanara.
Here in Philippines, it's like a hero.
Like a hero. Ah, yeah. Sure, we'll take a picture after. Yeah. You guys look very nice. Okay. That's crazy. Oh my gosh.
Holy.
Push you off.
Really? You're gonna pretend that stuff already?
It's not, it looks like worse than it is, but you'd catch yourself a little bit. This is basically like right in the middle of town. This is what you get to look over. So these rice terraces are actually made using stone and mud to carefully carve and construct the terraces. And that is so they could hold the flooded pond fields for the cultivation of rice, which is so cool.
Selling the place, Shell.
I'm just like, those natural disasters.
Here we are at the 3rd viewpoint, and every single one is just breathtaking in their own different ways. You get to see them straight on from the first one from far away. Second one, you're more close up, and now this one's a lot closer, but on the side. And I can't wait to get down these stairs and look at it. Do you see this, Shell?
This is honestly incredible.
Oh man, you got a nice breeze coming off right now, and it's just the different colors of green on all these terraces. I can't get over it.
Freaking amazing! It is so cool, oh my gosh. That's pretty much all I can say is like, what do you say, really? It's amazing.
We're leaving that 3rd viewpoint, and we have a 45-minute drive now. So here we go. See you on the other side.
A little tricycle. 45 minutes. when you come to Banaue, you always have to register at the tourism office, and I believe it's 70 pesos for like an economical. I think I got it. Economical environmental fee. All right, let's go. This is our guide, Luciano. We still have a 15-minute tricycle ride to the actual hiking trail, but then the hiking trail we will start. It takes about 40 to 45 minutes, and we'll get to see the Hapao rice terraces through there.
There's my name.
Luciano.
Wow.
Very, very nice name. I like it. Good picture too.
Thank you, Mom.
The moment we've all been waiting for. The Hapao rice terraces.
This is Hapao, and the other side is another village, Baang.
Bang.
But if it is joined, because only the river who divide the rice
Yeah,
terrace.
decided that.
Yes.
You can just see it go on for miles. Wow. So these Hapao rice terraces are one of the 5 sites included in the UNESCO World Heritage List. And if you don't know what that means for it to be deemed a World Heritage Site, it basically has to be of great universal significance. So that's pretty remarkable. So this is just stone and mud.
Yeah.
Stone and mud and man-made.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I do want to give thanks to all the people who are still keeping up on these. Slowly and slowly, less people are interested in keeping up on this beautiful rice terrace. Yield of rice is not as good as other places, and the pay is not. So they're doing this really just to keep the tradition alive, and it's so beautiful, and thank you for doing that.
Before you go into the hot springs, we're starting our trek now. Again, it's like 40 to 45 minutes. You can get your snacks and stuff before you start walking, because when you get to the hot springs, there's nothing.
So on our drive up to these rice terraces, I noticed something really unique. They use Mountain Dew bottles for planters. So check that out.
They call it Arabica.
Arabica, so this is the coffee plant.
This one is Robusta coffee.
Oh, the coffee. Where's the coffee machine?
There's no machine.
So we're just walking along here, and I can definitely feel that 9-hour bus ride today. It's gonna be a tough one, but already it's so worth it. I hope you guys can really understand and picture like what it's like to be here. It's kind of one of those things where you really have to come here and experience it, because this is unlike anywhere we've been in the Philippines, and I'm absolutely loving it so far. So is Chase. The landscaping is just remarkable. And chances are you'll be taking the bus, probably the overnight bus to come here. I would imagine most people do. It's most affordable. Bring all the clothes because it is freezing. Like, I wore leggings, I wore sweatpants, I wore 2 long sleeves, I wore a hoodie and a blanket, and I was still cold. So this is literally where we're hiking right now. Like, these are the views to go to the hot springs. Like, the hot springs are such a bonus. This hike alone is worth it. Hi. Hi.
Oh goodness, he's gonna say hello, isn't he?
Oh, hi, baby. He's shy.
Hey, you a shy boy? No, you're not. You're coming to hide by me, aren't you? Oh, no. See ya. So walking up these concrete steps, you see little handprints in them, little decorations. And over here, there's some more Mountain Dew. Look at this. It's telling you where to go. This recycling is amazing.
In Canada, we call a small fern, it looks like a smaller version of that. And it's called a fiddlehead in Canada.
Like that.
A fiddlehead. That's what we call it, and you can eat it, and it's delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't fall down. And then watch out for the barbed wire on the other side.
Ah! Could you imagine falling into this flipping barbed wire, you guys? Do you see the rust on that? It's rusty. Get your tetanus shots if you're in the Philippines, because we've seen a lot of this rusty barbed wire. Like, if your foot stepped on that. Okay, this shot right now, like,
This is amazing.
like, what?
We're literally, you know what? You know when you buy some Filipino rice back at home? I might have touched your rice. Think of that, right there.
We're touching your rice, guys.
So we are literally standing on a portion that got destroyed by a landslide and then he rebuilt it. It's a little surreal to think that a landslide just went through there and destroyed that stone wall.
So we're literally just walking through rice fields and she is harvesting or cleaning the rice right now. It's so cool to see. Storms of ruin! We're almost at the hot springs!
This is a miracle sa flower. That when you twist like this and then it will become like that.
Oh! For any of you guys that know I don't like heights, we've been walking on like little narrow high passes this whole time and I'm like, oh my gosh. If one wrong slip, that's it for me. There's fishies. There's our hot spring.
Whoa! This little path is so intense when you're getting pushed around like a kite. Oh, we just get a brief intermission from the wind and then it comes right back. The rain has started. Not sure how far the hot springs are from here, but it's gonna feel so good and so rewarding after this. Would you look at this? You can feel mist.
Wow.
It's time to get my camo shorts on that you guys always see. Well, Shelby's getting changed. I'm gonna head on over and see how hot the hot spring is. Looks pretty nice. There's a bunch of Filipino boys in here. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Is it warm?
Yeah.
Woo! Nice. Oh, it makes that walk all the way here worth it. So what's really nice about these hot springs is that it feels like it's fresh water. We went to the Quran hot springs. Those are saltwater pools, and it's kind of nice to be in a freshwater hot spring.
Oh, that's nice. And what?
You brought snacks in the pond,
Yeah, I got snacks.
in the hot spring.
Say hi.
Say your name.
What's your name?
Say your name.
Speak your name. Let's play the name game. I'll go first. I'm Shelby. That's Chase.
And you? Speak your name.
His name's Shy. What is your guys' names?
I'm Roderick.
Roderick.
Yeah. Ralph.
Ralph. Ah, okay.
This is Prince Johan.
Morales. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Come over here, follow me to my little cave.
Ew.
If you guys haven't seen the Sicky Horror video, we'll link it down below. You won't want to miss it. Quite hilarious if I do say so myself.
The water is hotter over here.
Yeah, this is the domain.
Bye.
I feel like everyone would be fighting for this spot if there was more people here, but you know. Whoa.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
that's nice. We have it all to ourselves.
And some nice Filipino friends.
Oh yeah, they're so nice. Filipinos are so friendly.
It sounds like he's getting drowned over there. They're so
I'm getting
nice.
shoved into this corner. Get me out of here. They're claustrophobia. So I think we're just gonna hang out here, relax, enjoy our time, and then make our way back, which is gonna be this exact same journey that we showed you guys. So that's where we're gonna leave this off, and we hope you guys enjoyed the video. We hope that you make the trip to Banaue because already it's been amazing. Like nothing we've ever seen, like nothing we've ever done. Can't recommend it enough. Even to do this little trek to the hot springs was such an unreal experience. So if you guys like this content, like the video, don't forget to subscribe, drop us a comment. We love talking to you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.